Okay, YouTube, just got this MrLi air pressure gauge from Amazon, and I'm going to go over it. It's a 100 psi 7-bar gauge, and it seems to be a lot better than the standard gauge I usually use, minus the ones in the car, but they're kind of inconvenient because you go put air in, then you go around and check it. So stay tuned, let's take a look at it. Okay, so when you get it, it comes in this package. You simply take it out of the package. It comes with a card. It says it has a 6-month extended warranty. This thing's $12, so you can mess with the warranty or not, but $12. So this thing's supposed to be really resilient. It's got this shock-proof case around it, rubber. You see they're flexible. You see there's the 100 psi 7-bar, and you just plug this into your tire, and then once you've taken your reading, this button releases the pressure. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so remove the cap from your car, and then you screw on the pressure dilly. See, it takes it up. It shows I have 30 pounds of air in the tire. I like 30 pounds of air in the tire. 30 pounds of air in the tire is good. I don't like that you have to twist it on and off, but that could be very convenient for some people. But you'll see there's our air. 30 pounds of air pressure, and simply releases it. So if you're very forgetful like me, you can remember what the pressure is. Now this is the gauge type I usually use, and it has no screw on, and it's just the pop out type. These are always a pain in the butt. And it's broke. So I have a spare. And that gives me my 30 pounds of air pressure. This gauge is a lot easier to read than this. And also, you can easily bump that. And then you forget what pressure you had in the tire. Okay guys, so this does have some key advantages where you screw on and off so you get a truer air pressure, retains your pressure better than these slide gauges, and release it, and then do all the tires. As you saw, the one I used earlier, one of these was broke. This one doesn't seem to. It seems to be pretty well made. Let's do the drop test. So you throw it in your toolbox, and it looks like it's going to hold up. There's enough rubber around it, it's not going to hit the face. So if you like this product, I've left a link down below to the Amazon site, and get one of your own. If you don't like this product, move on. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Looks like this. It's down there somewhere. Y'all please take care.